Today is a beautiful morning, peaceful and calming. Relaxation of my mind, and to see the sunrise is very amazing to start your morning. The weather is quite cool because of so many trees in the mountain. Today is Sunday, my rest day from working 5 days a week. So I have decided to unwind myself because it is very important for me loving myself and to take care of my mental health. I want to see the beautiful view of mountain full of greens and the fresh air. The calmness of the place can help me relax and full charge myself. In this vlog, I will be sharing my 3 dreams in life when I was young versus my dreams now as an adult. When I was a child, I want to live the place where I was born and raised, a countryside life, because I dreamed to see the buildings, malls, the city life, and to live in a concrete house. But now I want to live the kind of living in the countryside, planting fruits, vegetables, flowers, and raising a livestock, and to live in a peaceful and calm place to see the sunrise and sunset every day. Second dream, when I was young, I really wanted a luxurious life, to live in a beautiful house with a swimming pool and have much money. But now that I am an adult, it changed. I wanted now a simple life and create happy memories with my family. I realized that there are so many things that money can't buy. Third is I want to work in the bank, but I think it is not my destined work because now I am currently working as a customer service assistant in one of the biggest retail company here in the Philippines. And I really love my job because it provides our needs. I can give the basic needs of my family and also my needs. Now that I am an adult, my dreams change into simpler, in which I wanted to live a simple life Soon I wanted to own a farm in which I can plant my favorite flowers, and also I wanted to have a mini mart in my place so that I can provide or I can sell the basic needs of my neighborhood. That is my dream now as an adult, that I wanted to reach when I will be retiring in my job. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope that you have liked my vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Bye everyone, see you in my next vlog.